Good morning, students. Let us discuss about the workshop activity given on page number 25, part 2, lesson the necklace. Complete the following table. You have to complete it in your English notebooks. First one is I touched it in the hall at the ministry. Who said this? Method to Mr. Lozel. When did this happen? The moment she realized that the necklace was missing. Second one, it will give us time to look some more. Mr. Lozel said this to Method the next evening when they didn't find the necklace. They had searched it and they didn't find it, so this was the solution found out by Mr. Lozel. I might have needed it. Madame Forestier said this to Method. This was the time when she returned the necklace after more than a week. Fourth one, you must have made a mistake. Madame Forestier said this to Method. When did this happen? It happened after 10 years when Method met her on the street. Well, I lost it. Method said this to Madame Forestier after 10 years when they had cleared all the debts, loans, they had repaid it, and she confessed that she lost it. Last one, mine was an imitation. Madame Forestier said this to Mathilde after she confessed about losing and then replacing the necklace. Here we come to know who said it to whom and when. You need to write it in your English classwork copies. Write what you think about the following thoughts and actions of Methilde. Second question. First one, Methilde despaired over the loss of her necklace. Methilde was in the state of having lost all hope. She had lost all the necklace, so she was despaired. Moving on to this happened when Methilde realized that she had made a mistake. She was in a state of shock, unable to react or think of solutions. Children, imagine that when you lose something taken from somebody and you know that it is practically not possible for you to repay the debt, the amount of which that expensive thing is. So it's a great shock for that person. Same thing happened with Methilde. Next one, Methilde wrote a note to her friend and as dictated by her husband. Over here, Methilde went blank. She was not at all able to think or find the solution. So her husband, he found out the solution and gave this advice. Instead of giving the advice of accepting the mistake, she was regretting how she committed the mistake, and she wanted to rectify it. But I think this is not the solution of rectifying the mistake, hiding things from others, and it's better to accept when you do not know the real cost of the thing, whether it is real or imitation. At the end of the story, we come to know. Moving on to the next one. Methilde and her husband decided to replace the necklace. Instead of quietly replacing the necklace, if they would have spoken to Madame Forestier first, told her what happened, all these things, whatever hard difficulties they had to face for 10 long years, they had to change the house, she had to remove her maid, all these things wouldn't have happened. So it's all better to accept the mistake And then facing the consequences bravely is always better than suffering in silence. One shouldn't do like this. This is not the solution, just to replace the necklace without the notice of the person. End of 10 years, they come to know that it was an imitation, it was not a real diamond necklace. Moving on to the next one, Methil returned the diamond necklace to her friend. Method, as she was not able to think clearly, she followed the advice of her husband. She knew that he would help her to solve her problem, and because it was beyond her capacity to do it. Um, is it really right to return the diamond necklace to her friend, as it was honest and the correct thing to do? Yes, it is honest and correct thing to replace others necklace, but uh, mm, children, you can think and write the answers on your own. Always remember, it's we need to replace things, but you should be clear enough to talk to the person who has given you the necklace, or who has from whom you have borrowed something. Moving on to the next answer, Mithil did not tell her friend about the loss and replacement. This was a cowardly attitude. Mithil, she got afraid. She lost her necklace, her friend's necklace, and she gave the replacement of it. For what? Ruining. They ruined their own life. Instead of accepting rather the mistake, they silently replaced it, which I think it's not correct. One should be ready to face the consequences of their actions no matter what. You shouldn't run away from the problems. You should face the problem boldly, otherwise you ruin your life. The next one is, Method worked very hard to pay the debt. uh, Mithil, she worked hard to pay the debt. It's good, it's praiseworthy. She worked hard. She just followed the advice of her husband. Plus, one more thing is, the fault was entirely hers, so she had no voice. She had to take the responsibility of paying the debt. If we discuss the other side of this particular story, I think that same attitude, if Method would have kept before this, the story would have been totally different. Instead of relying on her husband for small things, as her husband was saving money, she also had the opportunity to work outside, support her family, as many ladies, women, they do. Even now, they support their family by working outside. Husband and wife, both of them work. This story wouldn't have taken place altogether. Next one, Methilde and her husband paid off the debt in 10 years. Really impressed with the way both Methilde and her husband paid off. They didn't keep debt. They had hard times. They faced it bravely, paid everything. They were honest uh, to they were honest and worked hard to pay them. Next one, Methilde told her friend about the lost necklace. As Methilde had paid off all her debt, she was not at all worried about it, and she thought it was good to accept. But this, if she would have done before, the things would have been totally different. She had corrected her mistake and hence rightfully told her friend about the lost necklace. But imagine the twist that took place in the end, where utilizing 10 years to pay the debt and then realizing that the necklace was an imitation one. Children, write these answers on your own. We have discussed it. Uh, Question 3, form pairs. It's not possible. You can work out individually at home. Write storyline in the form of bullets showing the main events. Again, I'll read the question. form pairs. Discuss how part 2 of the story should could have been different. Instead of forming pairs right now in this situation, you can try out for yourself and do it. Fourth, imagine what must have happened after Method's friend discovered that the diamonds were real. Do you think she would return the necklace to Method? Uh, would that make Method happy? Children, it's a personal response question, so you need to attempt it on your own. Discuss the following and write about each in your own words in 5 to 6 lines.